Cooking. C-O-O-K-I-N-G. Cooking. Preparing food using heat.
She's cooking pasta for dinner. She's cooking pasta for dinner. I love cooking weekend breakfasts. I love cooking weekend breakfasts. Cooking can be very relaxing. Cooking can be very relaxing. Try cooking with fresh herbs. Try cooking with fresh herbs. Cooking healthy meals is fun. Cooking healthy meals is fun.
This marks the conclusion of this episode. If you enjoyed the content, we kindly invite you to share it with your friends, classmates, or colleagues and consider subscribing to our channel for future video updates. Thank you.